Our planet spins, a blue top dancing around a fiery star. This dance, this rotation is why we have day and night. But imagine if Earth stopped spinning, locked in place with one face always turned towards the sun. This isn't science fiction, it's a real phenomenon called tidal locking. Tidal locking happens because of gravity. The sun's gravity pulls on the Earth, and over a very long time, this can slow a planet's rotation until one side always faces the star. It's like the moon, which always shows us the same face because it's tidally locked to Earth. Now picture our world, tidally locked to the sun. What was once a familiar cycle of day and night would vanish. One hemisphere would be bathed in perpetual sunlight, while the other would be shrouded in eternal darkness. This change, this simple shift in our cosmic dance, would have profound consequences for everything we know about life on Earth. Let's imagine the impossible has happened. Earth is now tidally locked to the sun. The most immediate change? Our concept of day and night is gone. Half the planet is bathed in constant sunlight. The sun, fixed in the sky, becomes a source of endless heat and energy. Imagine the longest summer day stretching on forever. That's the reality for this sun-drenched hemisphere. On the other side of the planet, darkness reigns. The stars, a constant fixture in the night sky, become the only source of light. Temperatures plummet as the absence of sunlight ushers in an eternal, frigid night. This stark division between day and night is only the beginning. The true consequences of this cosmic shift are far more dramatic, far more profound. With one side always facing the sun, Earth's climate would transform. The sunlit side would become an inferno. Imagine deserts stretching across continents, the air thick and heavy with heat. Oceans would boil away, leaving behind vast salt flats baking under the relentless sun. Meanwhile, the dark side would be a world encased in ice. Temperatures would plummet to unimaginable lows, far colder than the harshest Arctic winter. Oceans would freeze solid, locking the planet in an icy grip. This wouldn't just be a case of extreme weather, the very atmosphere itself would be affected. The extreme temperature difference between the two hemispheres would create winds of unimaginable power, howling across the planet with hurricane force. Life as we know it depends on a delicate balance. This drastic shift in Earth's climate would throw that balance into complete disarray. Section 4. Life finds a way, or does it? Life on Earth is incredibly adaptable. From the frozen poles to the searing deserts, life finds a way to thrive in the most extreme environments. But could any form of life survive on a tidally locked Earth? On the sun-baked side, it's hard to imagine anything surviving the relentless heat. Plants, the basis of most ecosystems, would wither and die without respite from the scorching sun. Animals, deprived of food and water, would face a similar fate. The dark side offers a glimmer of hope. While the surface would be an icy wasteland, life could potentially find refuge beneath the frozen oceans. Hydrothermal vents spewing heat from the Earth's core could provide the energy for extremophiles, organisms that thrive in the most extreme conditions, to survive. However, even if life could cling on in these isolated pockets, the rich biodiversity that we see today would be lost. A tidally locked Earth would be a world of extremes, a testament to the resilience of life, but also a stark reminder of its fragility. Section 5. A world divided, the day-night dichotomy. Imagine for a moment that somehow, against all odds, humans managed to survive on this radically altered Earth. What would our civilization look like? It's likely that we would be a species divided, separated by the eternal boundary of light and darkness. Perhaps we would build cities in the perpetual twilight zone, a narrow band between scorching day and frigid night. Or maybe we would find ways to adapt to the extreme conditions, developing technology to withstand the heat and harness the cold. Communication and travel between the two hemispheres would be an immense challenge. Journeys across the day-night divide would be fraught with danger, requiring incredible feats of engineering and endurance. The cultural and societal differences between the sunlit and dark sides would be profound. Separated by such extreme environments, our ways of life, our beliefs, our very understanding of the world would diverge, creating two distinct human civilizations shaped by the cosmic forces that divide them. Section 6. In praise of rotation, a cosmic blessing. The idea of a tidally locked Earth is a sobering thought experiment. It allows us to appreciate the delicate balance that makes life on our planet possible. The Earth's rotation, this constant spin that we take for granted, is a gift. It's the reason we have day and night, the reason our climate is habitable, the reason life has flourished on our planet. As we gaze out at the night sky and contemplate the vastness of the cosmos, let us remember this. Our planet is a rare jewel, a place where the conditions are just right for life as we know it. And while the universe is full of wonders, some beautiful, some terrifying, there's no place like home. Let us cherish our spinning world, a cosmic oasis in the vastness of space.